Hey, hello guys, this is SRINIVAStheDEVELOPER developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 14th August 2021. Here, this is the problem they have given, binary growing sequence or not. We are just need to find the given sequence is growing in binary order or not. The binary sequence is nothing but a sequence in which the AND operation of two contiguous numbers will give you the previous number. For example, if we have a number like 1 and 2, it should return 1 if it is in a binary growing sequence. The binary value of 1 is 0 1 and the binary value of 2 is 1 0. If we add the both number, it will return 0 and 0, which is not the proper output, or which is not equal to 1. So 1 and 2 are not a growing sequence, but 1 and 5 will return the value 5. For example, the binary value of 1 is 0 1 and the binary value of 5 is 1 1 0, I guess. No, 1 0 1. Let me add one more 0 here. So we will get 1 and 0 and 1 will return 0, 0 and 0 will return 0, 1 and 1 will give you 1. So this is equal to the decimal value of 1. So 1 and 5 will give you the value 1, which is nothing but the previous of the 5, right? So this is a binary growing sequence. Likewise, we have to do the all operation for 1 5 7 23. Here for the value 1, let me take all those values. Let me do the binary table first. 64, 32, 16, 08, 04, 02 and 01. Now inside this we will have the value 1, and this one will be placed here. And for the value 5, we will put there is no more 5 in 8, so we'll put 1 here, 0 here and 1 here. For the value 7, we will put 1 1 and 1. For the value 23, we'll put 1 here, so it will become 23 minus 16 will give you 10 3 7. So 1 plus 2 will give you 3, 3 plus 4 will give you 7, 7 plus 10 17, 17 plus 6 equal to 23. This is the binary representation of 23. So if we add those two values here, the rest of the part is 0, right? So 1 and 5 will give you value 1, and 5 and 7 will give you the value 5, and 7 and 23 will give you the value 7. So this is a binary growing order. Likewise, we have to do the operation for this one, 4, 12 and 57. The binary representation of 4 is 1 0 0, and the binary representation of 12 is 1 1 0 0. So if we add the both, we will get 0 1 0 0. This is in growing order, but if we do the same operation for 12 and 57, 1 1 0 0, and the value 57 is 1 2 3 0 for 64, 1 for 32, so it will reduce the value to 25, and 1 for 16, it will reduce the value into, come on, I'm bad at this, 57 minus 32 will give you 25, and 25 minus 16 will give you the value 9. So 9 is greater than 8. So the representation will be like this: 111 001. So if you add the both values, it will return the value 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, 1, and everything 0. Like 0, 0, 0, 0, here 1, and 0, 0, 0. This is not equal to 15, right? This is in a representation of 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. So 8 is not equal to 15. So the order is broken. So we just need to print no. Let's see how we are doing this in a programmatical way. Here the given value is n equal to int value. It's a single input, so I am taking the value input. So it's time to get the list. List equal to list of map of in comma input. Those things are space separated, so I am splitting all those values and saving it in a separate list by the help of map function. After that, we just need to apply the condition here. For I in range of 1 to n. So in this range, we are going to check from this with this. So if we get the value of 4, it's in a growing order, right? Otherwise, we just need to print no. If list of I and list of I minus 1 is equal to the value I minus 1, which is nothing but a previous value, we just need to print yes. Otherwise, we can do a condition like, because we just need to print the value yes and no for the only time, right? So if the condition fails, we'll print no here and break the loop. Otherwise, let me put a flag here. The default value of flag is 1. So if the condition fails, the flag value breaks, flag equal to 0, and I'm printing the value yes. If flag, the flag value is still 1, print yes. Otherwise, stop with no. So if I save and run this program, we will get something like 4 1 5 7 2 3 4 1 5 7 2 3. We got yes. And for the value 4 4 12 5 7 1 8 5 4 4 12 5 7 1 8 5, we got no, because it breaks at the point 12 and 57. So that's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Hope you like and enjoy this video. Here, this is the code for you. See you soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.